Welcome to the next part of our video in which we are building an API for a chat application that we are building using Go. In this episode, we are going to discuss or learn how we can set up Postgres database to store our user information and the messages and other stuff. So stay tuned as we get into it. Now, to get started, head on to your browser and search for PostgreSQL. When you search for Postgres, you're going to open the you need to visit this one, www.postgres.org. So if you visit postgres.org like this, what you need to do is to go to the download, and if you're on Linux, you click here to follow, and you click when or if you're on Red Hat or Alma Linux and so on. Open Go, click and Ubuntu. If you're on Windows, click this one and just download the installer and install it right away. It will ask you a couple of things that you will enter your password and those things to get installed. If you're on Mac, you click here and I think the Mac also will get an installer. In which when you click on it, like the get an installer for the Mac ware and then go. We click on Mac ware. So here it's a DM file that you can install over there. But I'm on Linux, so you can see Windows, but I actually use Captain 10 for Linux. I use Captain 10 for Linux for all my projects and in the development stuff. So I will use the Linux in order to do the one thing, that one that I've been using for development for very long time now. So let's get started. So now let me go back to the Linux part and walk you through each of them. For the Linux part, you go to Ubuntu and you can go straight away by installing them, or you can add the repository if you want to manually install the current version. You add the repository to it, then do the and you use this one to install. So these are the three commands. The first one you copy and you run, and then the second one, and after that you run an apt update, and then you run that one to install Postgres. But after installing Postgres, there is one thing that if you don't want to work with Postgres in the terminal, you need to install, and that one is pgadmin4. Go for pgadmin4 and you go into it right away. You get this one. So just click on it, and you click on it, then to head you to this website, and this one is for Windows. If you want to install Windows, for the Windows, if you download the Postgres from there, you don't need to come here because Windows 1 contains both the pgadmin4 and the Postgres. What you need to do is to go back. But if you're on Linux and you come to the apt, you only use apt if you are the Ubuntu base system and can use the RPM on and go back where you can follow the path to install it. So I'm on apt, or I'll just go to apt. And what you need to do is to copy if you copy that one, you run them install. then you copy the command to, you run and install. You copy the one, you run and install, and you are good to go. You can configure the web one by running the command, and it will ask you some couple of questions before it runs. So what I'm going to do, I've already installed it. So I'm going to head on to my terminal, and what I will do is I will just sudo -u postgres, and I will just PSQL like this. Oh, sorry, I misspelled the Postgres. Or just enter your password. Hope. Okay. Or if you finish in class, if you type this, you need to be able to get this one. Or what you can do over here, you when you do this, what you need to do is to change the password from here. If you're on Windows, you will be asked to enter the password while installing. So you don't need to do what I'm doing right now. Or what you need to type in alter user, and the user is Postgres, or the user is Postgres, and we are going to use the password to get in. Or what we will do is we will get the password, and I will just use this as my password. This has been my test password for long. What I will do is, or if you use single quote, it will work like this one. So after this one, you are good to go. You can just press this and kill to exit from there, and now I can clear from here. How can I get it? After this one, you can run this one, and this PG admin 4 has been installed on my cap system. I'm using it from the cap system. So I can carry this one is not a Windows app. Okay, Linux cap system that I use on my machine for every development app that I'll be doing. Except for mobile. So during our mobile, I'll teach everything on the mobile side. Okay, using a MacBook, and the MacBook too, very interesting. So over here, what you need to do is when you on Linux, if you install, this one will not be configured. This one will not be configured. So what you need to do is, let me unlock it and go type the password over here. Okay, so you type your password and everything is set over here down. You are good to go. So what I'm going to do is, the Postgres, you are not going to use the Postgres database. Create a database, and that database I'll call it chart. So just click here and go to create database. And in the database, I'll just call it chart. And the owner is Postgres over here. You are good to go. You are good to go. So again, when you install it on Linux, at first time you won't be having that one. But what you need to do is to register a database. So you right click on the server and you go to register. So you register a server with the name, let me give it something like main, and then you go to connection. And what you need to do is to type your local host. And after the local host, it's Postgres, or you type in your password or something like this. I can type in my password. And if I click on save, going to save this one too. So I'm having the Postgres database and I'm having this one that I get. And if I click on it, think in the same username, and the two databases, that is and the chart and the Postgres, that is the one thing is the same one. Then you are good to go. So this is how you can get up a database from here. Keep in mind to remember your password. In the next video, we are going to learn how you connect this database to our Go application. Stay tuned as we all get into it. Bye bye.